Hello anyone and everyone who's watching this. This is me, someone with the so area. Duh. And as you guys know from one of my first ever videos, I believe it was my first ever vlog. Well, what is this on? Sorry. But I can solve a 2x2. And in this video, I will be discussing some of the questions that I always get asked. One of them, what's your fastest time? I do not know what people want to know. Actually, yes I do. It's because I want to see if they can time me. And I hate being timed. So, my fastest time is 12 seconds. Pretty fast. I'm recording a video. Okay, so anyways, sorry about that interruption. For once it wasn't a rude interruption. Usually I get interrupted very rudely. What was another question to ask? Alright, is that a 4 cube? Why? Do I even have to answer this? Go to Walmart. Purchase it. See what it says. It says 2x2. It says 2 layers. 1, 2 by 2 layers. 1, 2. Okay. Anyways, next up. Can you solve the biggest 3x3? No, I cannot. I'm stupid. I cannot solve the 3x3. Why did you learn? Because I was bored one day and I asked my cousin if he could teach me how to solve a Rubik's Cube. He was legitimately about to teach me how to solve a 1x3. And I said, that's not a Rubik's Cube. That's a stinky. Hey, Anna, do you know any more questions that people ask me a lot about my 2x2?
How long did it take you to know how to solve
it? Right, how long did it take me to learn? This is Ariana Murphy. Go subscribe to her and comment on all of her videos.
3 months.
I know, she's stupid.
Kind of go to here.
Okay, so, anyways, how long did it take me to learn how to solve one of these properly?
Oh, I have another one.
Sure. Okay, just wait. So, it took me about 2.5 days to learn all the algorithms. So, what is your other question that people probably ask?
Do any of your other siblings know how to solve one?
Ooh, that's a good one. Yes, one of them does.
That's Gabby.
Yes, Gabby, who doesn't have a YouTube channel. Okay. Actually, she does.
Yeah, she
but
does.
No one can find it.
Yeah.
It's Snap. So, anyways. Oh, I know.
Like, questions.
Can I toss it? What question is that? What type of question is that? Can I toss your Rubik's Cube?
I mean, you can toss it if you want it to break.
No, this one actually has never popped on me. I've had one before that. Yes, Mom?
I understand innocent type of it.
Okay. I have to make this quick.
Is it just questions in general?
Yeah. Just questions. So, anyways, going back to this. Wait, what was the question that I just said?
Can you toss it?
Alright, can you toss it? This cube has never broken on me. This is my second cube that I've ever gotten. Also, it's a Rubik's brand. It's pretty bad. The first cube that I have ever gotten.
Oh, it's broken.
Yeah, this girl in first grade at the time broke it, and I still haven't forgiven her. Okay, so other question.
What's the temperature for tomorrow?
That's not involving Rubik's Cube. She's asking Siri what the temperature is for tomorrow. It's not involving Rubik's Cube. Let's think.
Question is different, right?
Yeah.
Oh, temperature.
Alright, I know. Can you teach me how to solve it?
Oh, that's a good one.
I've had 2 or 3 friends that had one of these. I taught both of them, and they both forgot. One of them had a perfect cube. He just forgot. And then the other one had a messed up cube where the corner was twisted and couldn't twist it back, and it was just so icky. Okay, so what else are some questions that people ask me way too often for my life? What was your first ever solve time?
No.
About follow with the tutorial on YouTube.
That's funny.
What is an R2? It's where you move the right piece 2 times. That's an R2.
Mom, but
What is a corner
I
flip?
do something for her real
You
quick.
cannot flip this corner. That's where you go like that, and then it flips the corner.
Didn't take any questions.
Mm-hmm.
About 2x2?
Huh?
About 2x2?
Just about Rubik's Cube in general. I've already said, can you solve it? Easy.
Don't ask what. Oh. Don't ask what I hear next time I see you.
How hard is it to solve one?
Oh.
Do you know how to solve one? And then we can go from there.
Yeah.
If you guys want to comment any questions that I didn't go over inside this video about my 2x2 or my skills inside of Rubik's Cube solving, go right ahead. So that will be all for this video. I might have another one. Go subscribe to Ariana Murphy, or else
try to post tomorrow.
or else I will stop. If you don't subscribe to her and me, I will put a Lego brick right in front of your foot, so then whenever you step on it, you freak out, and then I'm going to put a brick in front of that to where you stub your toe. So you better do it. So goodbye, everyone. Woo!